An adjustable stem is a versatile and practical upgrade for any cyclist looking to improve their riding comfort and bike fit. Whether you're trying to adjust the handlebar height or change the angle for a more ergonomic position, installing an adjustable stem can make a noticeable difference in your ride. However, over time, due to its multiple components, an adjustable stem may develop noticeable play. Fitting the adjustable stem. To install an adjustable stem, you'll need a few basic tools. Allen keys, typically 4, 5 or 6 mm in size. A Velcro strap or cable tie to secure the handlebars to the frame during the process. Now that you have all the necessary tools, position yourself in front of your bike and hold the front wheel firmly between your legs. Start by removing the handlebars and securing them to the frame with a Velcro strap or a cable tie. Next, refit the stem plate to the stem, then remove the top cap and the stem and set them aside. Ensure the spaces remain in place and fit the adjustable stem onto the steerer tube. Reinstall the top cap and gently tighten the top cap bolt. Be careful not to over-tighten it, as this could damage the headset bearings. Remove the stem plate from the adjustable stem and attach the handlebars. At this stage, their position doesn't need to be perfect. If you're unsure how to properly tighten the handlebars using a cross pattern, be sure to check out my video here for guidance. Make sure that your handlebars move freely without any play in the headset. If there is still play, tighten the top cap bolt slightly more. Next, align the handlebars with the front wheel and tighten the stem bolts in sequence. If you have a torque wrench, set it to the recommended torque level. If not, ensure the bolts are securely tightened. Now adjust the position of the handlebars. Check if there is a bolt underneath the stem. If so, loosen it until the serrated mechanism drops, releasing the adjustment mechanism. Hold the stem in your desired position and tighten the bolt to secure it. If there isn't a bolt underneath the stem, use one hand to hold the stem and the other to loosen the bolt on the side. Adjust the stem to your preferred angle, then tighten the bolt to lock it in place. Finally, position the handlebars correctly. Watch my video tutorial here for step-by-step guidance. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you found the tips in this video helpful and had success fitting an adjustable stem on your bike. I'd love to hear how it went. Feel free to share your feedback in the comments below. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting and sharing my videos on social media and forums. If you'd like to take your support a step further, consider becoming a channel member. You'll enjoy some great perks while helping the channel grow. Just click the Become a Member button on the screen to find out more. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.